Since the outbreak of the coronavirus in December 2019, more than 120,000 cases have been reported globally, according to the World Health Organization. So far, there's only been one confirmed case of the coronavirus in Missouri. MHSNews interviewed students about their reactions to the virus. The students who gave us their reactions are Soham Saraf, Tripta Takaborty, and Sydney Gann.
I mean, I feel like this was something that was bound to happen. There's always been the evolution of viruses and other pathogens. And as we become overpopulated and cities become more dense and stuff, it's just going to happen. In China and all, you really don't have any of the health standards that the United States does, so it makes sense why it does happen. I'm not surprised.
Upset and shocked at how much of an impact it's had already, and the fact that it doesn't seem as though there's much that anybody knows what to do about it yet. And so I'm mostly just for now sad about the victims that have been affected by the coronavirus, and I hope that something can be done soon.
I mean, it's a very serious subject, and I realize that we do need to take as much precaution as possible because this is now turning into a worldwide disease. We need to make sure that our country is not only safe, but countries around us and countries that we are allied with. So, just try to keep other people safe out there, try to cease the spread of this terrible disease, and try to find a cure.
The National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases has called the virus a low risk to the health of Americans, but many students from non-white backgrounds have experienced racial tension.
Honestly, I feel as though the coronavirus, just like the bird flu in the early to late 90s, is just another way for people to express and show their racism, just another way for them to show that how racist they are, because the outbreak happened in China, and so a lot of people are basically just being xenophobic and just proving more and more that they are, not necessarily more and more, but they're allowing for this time and this outbreak to show that they are racist.
When I first heard about it, I obviously saw it as memes and stuff on social media, which always it's fun to deal with. And I was kind of expecting that there might be some racial tensions and things because when things like this happen, people tend to use it as an excuse to be racist. But most of the time, if I've heard anything about it, it's really just been a joke or something, which can be offensive, but normally they're not too intense. They're more lighthearted, so it hasn't been so bad.
I haven't seen anything. I could teach, and a little girl asked me if I had the coronavirus. But other than that, I think people have kind of forgotten it. I think it's just a little scare for a week, and now it's pretty much out of our minds.
The students who gave us their experiences are Jordan Williams, Serena Young, and Anna Culver.